In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reports in Wrike. By the end, you'll know how to build a clear, tailored report that shows exactly the work you care about without getting lost in the noise. Start by opening Wrike in your browser and signing into your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation panel. If you don't immediately see the reporting tools, open the More menu to reveal additional features. This expands the sidebar so you can access everything you need for analysis. Next, choose Reports. This brings you to Wrike's reporting area where you can analyze tasks, projects, and team performance. You'll notice there are many ready-made options like Project Portfolio Overview, Project Status, Productivity Analysis, Utilization and Performance, Agile Velocity, Sprint Overview, Capacity Planning, Active Tasks by SNE, Weekly Project Status, Overdue Tasks by SNE, Projects Due This Month, Time Spent This Week, and Team Utilization. These templates are great when you need answers fast. Today we'll build our own to keep full control over the data and layout. Select Custom Reports. This path lets you decide exactly what the report tracks and where the data comes from. Give your report a clear descriptive title. A good practice is to include the team, purpose, and time frame. For example, marketing, active projects, Q2. That way anyone who opens it will immediately understand what they're looking at. Now choose the source of your data by clicking Select Project, Folder, or Space. This is the scope of your report, and it determines which work items get included. Projects are great for a single initiative, folders can group related efforts, and spaces gather everything for a department or major program. For a comprehensive view, pick Space. Reporting at the space level pulls in all relevant projects and tasks housed there, so you get a top-down picture of progress and workload. If your space is large, that's fine. Wrike can handle it, but be mindful that broader scopes may include more historical or paused items. You can always narrow your view later using the on-screen filters and grouping options visible in the report interface. When your title and scope look right, click Create. Wrike will generate your custom report and open it immediately. From here, you can sort and group the data, adjust visible columns, and scan for bottlenecks or overdue work. Because you set a meaningful title and selected the right scope, this report will be easy to find and reuse, giving you consistent, reliable insights each time you open it. That's it. You've created a custom Wrike report that's aligned to your team's needs. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.